In this video, we cover the most frequently asked Spring Batch interview questions and answers ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Whether you're just getting started with Spring Batch or aiming to master batch processing for enterprise-level applications, this video will help you boost your confidence and ace your interviews. Beginner level. 1. What is Spring Batch? Answer. Spring Batch is a lightweight, robust batch processing framework designed to handle large volumes of data. It provides reusable functions for logging, skipping, restarting, chunking, and transaction management. 2. What are the main components of Spring Batch? Answer. Job represents the batch process. Step, a distinct phase of the job. Item reader reads data. Item processor processes data. Item writer writes processed data. Job repository stores job execution metadata. Job launcher launches the job. 3. What is a job launcher in Spring Batch? Answer. Job launcher is responsible for starting a job with a set of parameters. Example. Job launcher.run myjob new job parameters. 4. What is chunk processing in Spring Batch? Answer. Chunk processing reads, processes, and writes data in groups, chunks, improving performance and manageability. Intermediate level. 5. Difference between Tasklet and chunk-oriented processing? Answer. Tasklet, used for single operations e.g. clean a directory, execute SQL. Chunk, used for reading, processing, and writing in chunks e.g. read 100 records, process and write. 6. How do you handle job restarts in Spring Batch? Answer. Spring Batch supports restartability by storing job state in a job repository. You must configure job parameters incrementer and ensure steps are idempotent or restartable. 7. What are job parameters and job execution context? Answer. Job parameters. Immutable values passed at job start time. Execution context. Mutable data that persists across steps or restarts. 8. What is skip and retry in Spring Batch? Answer. Skip allows skipping failed items, e.g. a corrupt record. Retry retries the operation for a defined number of times before skipping or failing. Example. Chunk skip limit equals 5, retry limit equals 3. Skippable exception classes. Include class equals java.lang, exception / skippable exception classes. /chunk. Advanced level. 9. How does Spring Batch handle parallel processing? Answer. Options. Multi-threaded step. Partitioning. Remote chunking. Remote partitioning. Example, using Task Executor for multi-threaded steps. 10. What is partitioning in Spring Batch? Answer. Partitioning splits data into multiple partitions and processes them in parallel using multiple threads or processes. 11. How do you ensure idempotency in Spring Batch? Answer. Use unique job parameters to avoid duplicate execution. Make writers idempotent, e.g., update or merge instead of insert. Track processed records via status flags or audit tables. 12. How do you test a Spring Batch job? Answer. Use job launcher test utils or mock dependencies like item reader, item writer. You can also test individual steps using step-scope test utils. 13. What are the different job statuses in Spring Batch? Answer. Starting, started, stopping, stopped, failed, completed, abandoned. 14. How to schedule a Spring Batch job? Answer. Use Spring Scheduler, Quartz Scheduler, cron expression in it scheduled. At scheduled cron equals 00 *****. Public void run job. Job launcher.run job new job parameters. 15. How do you configure fault tolerance in Spring Batch? Answer. Enable retry, skip, and listeners to handle failures gracefully. Use fault tolerant, retry limit, skip limit, and listeners to log or track errors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow developers preparing for interviews.